Okay, good morning. Nathan saying action for us. Alright, today in 7th grade math, we are learning how to find the area and perimeter of triangles. Nathan wants to say hi again. Regardless, to do this, we are going to use the triangular area formula, which is for triangles, the area equals the base times the height, then divide by 2. Mr. Davis, why is this one divided by 2 and the parallelograms were not divided by 2? Well, Nathan, if you take a triangle and if you double it, what kind of shape do you make?
A square.
More specifically, a rectangle or parallelogram. Nathan's correct. You do half of the rectangle because the triangle is half the rectangle. So your first question would be simple, like if the base is 8 inches and the height is 6 inches, what is the area of this triangle? Nathan, I'm sorry, can you get out of the way for a moment, please? Okay, find the area of this triangle. We do 8 times 6, then divide by 2. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24 square inches. Okay, thank you. Do you want to erase it now, Nathan?
All this?
Yes. Okay, that is very simply how to find the area of the triangle. Now, sometimes in pictures it can be a little tricky to find out which one's the height and which numbers you need for which problem. So we're going to do an example like that coming up right now.
I left that word there.
Yeah, thank you, Nathan. So we're going to have this big triangle picture.
And have a line. And at
5 centimeters here, 10 centimeters here, 8 centimeters, 7 centimeters. Okay, so there are 4 numbers here. We're going to find the area and perimeter for each. Now keep in mind, not every number is going to be used for each part. In fact, they won't. So first, let's find the area. The area we get by doing the base length. Now technically anything can be the base, so we're going to go off of which length is attached to the height. So in this case it's 10. The height is the distance going up. That's 5. Divide by 2. 10 times 5 is 50. Divided by 2 is 25. 25 square centimeters. That's how you find the area of a triangle. Most common mistake students make here is they forget to divide by 2. Once again, triangles are half the area of a rectangle or parallelogram, as the cuter one here already told you. Now perimeter. In the perimeter, in this case, the height is unimportant for perimeter. We're looking at the outside lengths. The outside lengths here are 7, 8, and 10. 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 10. Nathan, can you do 15 plus 10 for us?
Oh, 15 plus 10?
Yeah.
I just have 2 hands.
Okay, so
We have
10 and 15 more than that is 25. Hopefully you're better at doing that than my son. To be fair, he is only 6. Now, in this case, I got the same answer. That's not always going to be the case. It's very unlikely. Just this triangle worked out that way. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. richard.davis@slcschools.org or come to the Zoom class schedule and ask questions there. Yes, sir?
And next January will be 7 years old.
And next January, he'll be 7 years old, he wants you to know. So on that note, see you next time. And by the way, if you need to retake those assignments, you can, and it'll take the higher score no matter what. It wasn't that clear earlier. Thank you.